guys, what's up guys, my name is Mr.Roy and today we'll be going to blow out the balloon with Tessa and see what happens. So, before I might take you to this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like to my video, and turn on the notification bell so you guys see that video. Tell me comment section below if you subscribe button, and also don't forget also check my follow Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, bro. Like feature the YouTube button #1. You like my video, so we're gonna try this. It's epic, legend, I'm brave. Now I'm gonna blow the balloon. Excited. So, this one, I put the hands up. Oh yeah, little baby. So, I'm gonna put this to go up, blow it. Epic. So now, let's go. Bigger! Wow! Bigger! Let's go in the clip, okay? Wow! There was info that this is a once again, as all balloon is popping, and also the logo many discuss and blow up so much bigger. I don't know if inchy what it is. Them is bigger. So another way it's not cloudy, but commercially it's good use. So you can try it, but don't try this at home, okay? So that's my video. Thank you guys so much for watching in this video. Short it. I hope you like it, and don't forget subscribe to my channel, like my video, and turn on the notification to subscribe guys. If you guys see that want to do, tell me comment section below if you subscribe button. My heart so investing for that, and check my follow Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. You guys who might like it, like feature only YouTubers on #1 on my community Asia. So thanks guys so much for watching on this video, and see you guys in the next video. Peace out.